moving on to exercise 11.3. Question number 1. In each of the exercises, find the coordinates of foci, vertices, length of major, minor axis, eccentricity, length of the lattice rectum. So what is my first equation? X square divided by 36 plus y square divided by 16 equals 1. So a value is greater than b. Upper general equation is x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals 1. So my a square is 36, my b square is 16. So my a is 6 and b is 4. What is the relationship between them? A square minus b square equals c square. So c square is a square minus b square, which is 36 minus 16, which is 20. So this is my c square. So c equals root 20. So how does my ellipse look like? Since x has the value a, so it is along the x coordinate, the major axis. So this is minus a comma 0 and this is a comma 0. This is minus c comma 0 and this is c comma 0. Okay, this is 0 comma b, 0 comma minus b. So what is your foci? Your foci is minus c comma 0 and c comma 0. So this is plus or minus root 20 comma 0. This is foci. Vertices enna? Plus or minus a comma 0, which is plus or minus 6 comma 0. And what is my other one? Plus or 0 comma plus or minus b. So I have 0 comma plus or minus b and 4. So these are my vertices. Now I need to find the length of the major axis. Major axis is 2a, 2 times 6, which is 12. Length of the minor axis is 2b, which is 2 times 4, which is 8. Length of the major axis is always greater than the length of the minor axis. Okay. So this is next, eccentricity is c by a, which is root 20 divided by 6. And what is the length of the lattice rectum? 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 4 square divided by 6. So I have 2 and 6 goes off. I have a 3. 16 divided by 3. Okay, so this is the final answer. Here root 20 by 6 can also be written as 20. Another 20 is 5 times 4, which is 2 root 5. Correct? So I have 2 root 5 divided by 6. When I cancel this, I have root 5 divided by 3. Okay, this is the eccentricity. Now moving on to the next question. X square divided by 4 plus y square divided by 25 equals 1. So a value is greater than b. So what is the general form? X square by b square plus y square by a square equals 1. So how does your ellipse look like? It is along the y axis. Y ku keela da a irukku. So the coordinates of this is 0 comma minus a, 0 comma a. This is minus b comma 0 and b comma 0. Foci enga irukku? Inga irukku. So it is 0 comma c and 0 comma minus c. Be very careful when you are writing the coordinates. X axis along la irukka illa y axis along la irukka nu be very careful. So what do you have? A square is 25, b square is 4, a is 5 and b is 2. So c square enna? A square minus b square is c square. So I have 25 minus 4, which is c square. C square equals 21, c equals root 21, which is 7 times 3. So further simplify panna mudiyadhu. So what are my foci? It is 0 comma plus or minus c, root 21. Vertices enna? It is 0 comma plus or minus a. So 0 comma plus or minus a. Aprom innone enadhu? Plus or minus b comma 0. What is the length of my major axis? 2a, which is 2 times 5, 10. Minor axis is 2b, so 2 times 2, which is 4. Eccentricity enna? E equals c by a, which is root 21 divided by 5. Lattice rectum is 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 2 square divided by 5. So I have 8 divided by 5. Okay. Question number 3. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equals 1. So I have a greater than b. So this is of the form x square divided by a square plus y square divided by b square equals 1. So my a square is 16, a equals 4, b square is 9, so b equals 3, c square equals a square minus b square, which is 16 minus 9. 16 minus 9 is 7. So this is my c square. C equals root 7. Okay. So how does my ellipse look like? X க்கு கீழே a இருக்கு. So it is something like this. So what will my coordinates be? It will be plus or minus a comma 0, plus or minus c comma 0, 0 comma plus or minus b. Okay. So these are my coordinates and this is how my ellipse look like. Ellipse looks like, and this is my foci. Okay. So this is my focus 1, focus 2. So what are my foci? Plus or minus c comma 0, which is plus or minus root 7 comma 0. What is this one there? Plus or minus a comma 0, 0 comma plus or minus b, which is 3. Major axis 2a, which is 2 times 4, 8. Minor axis is 2b, which is 2 times 3, which is 6. Eccentricity in c by a, which is root 7 divided by 4. Length of the lattice rectum is 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 3 square divided by 4. So this gets cancelled. So I have 9 divided by 2. Okay. Question number 4. X square divided by 25 plus y square divided by 100 equals 1. So it is of the form, so which is greater, 100 is greater than 25. So this is my a square and this is my b square. So I have x square by b square plus y square by a square equals 1. So ellipse எப்படி இருக்கும் along the y axis. So it will look like this. So what will my coordinates be? It will be 0 comma plus or minus a. Foci வந்து 0 comma plus or minus c, because a and c lie along the same axis. It will be plus or minus b comma 0. Okay. So what is my a square? 100. A equals 10. B square equals 25. B equals 5. C square equals a square minus b square, which is 75. C equals root 75. Okay. Root 75, which is also 5 root 3. So foci enna 0 comma plus or minus 5 root 3. My vertices are 0 comma plus or minus 10 and plus or minus 5 comma 0. Okay. Then my length of the major axis is 2a, which is 2 times 10, 20. Length of the minor axis is 2b, which is 2 times 5, which is 10. Eccentricity equals c by a, which is 5 root 3 divided by 10. So this gets cancelled. Root 3 by 2. Length of the lattice rectum 2b square divided by a, which is 2 times 5 square divided by 10. So this goes off and one of the 5's go off. So my length of the lattice rectum is 5. Okay.